Hi friends, it's Leslie from Avalon Acres Farm. Today I have my Archer and Olive quarterly subscription box unboxing. I already took the outside wrapper off because it was all ripped up. I don't know. They mail these through the post office, and I mean, the plastic wrap on the outside was all ripped, and it was raining the day it was delivered, so I don't know. Anyway, the box is pretty mushed up. So this quarter is called Vintage Library. So let's see what we got. Vintage Library, stationery box. Okay. It says turnover for spoilers. We'll see if I can keep that. I might have to just take everything. Well, okay. Rotating date stamp. I've got an ink pad and a stamp. Cool. Cool, because the one I have only goes up to 2020, so needless to say, I haven't used it much. Okay. And I use the boxes. Stuff like this I'll use for making ephemera or whatever. Oversized binder clips. Oh, I've wanted a set of those for a while. Oh, cool. Look at that. I like those. Nice. Yeah, I like those a lot. Yeah, I've been wanting to get a set. I don't know why I haven't. Okay. Memo pad. Because we all know I don't have enough paper, right? And there's never enough paper. In my world, anyway. Or you can't have too much paper. Come on, stay back. Let me move this that way. There we go. Okay. Cool. It's like library cards, kind of. At least that's the setup. All different colors. Pink, yellow, and white. I like it. Okay. Ooh, washi. I love getting washi. Look at that box. I love that. I have to use, like, because there's foiling, like copper foiling. I'll have to use this in either a planner spread or a journal if I do like a library-ish journal. Oh, let's see. Currently reading book review from the library. Oh, cool. And there's the, I love that. I love that. Stars. I always love stars. Okay, where's the, I just want to see. Oh, okay. Cool. Like labels. Okay. Now I can't get it on straight. Usually I can pretty easily. I'll save that for something later. Okay, like the washi. Calligraphs. My fingers can't handle that. Nice fall colors. Fall and library-ish colors. We got no color names on it. Brown, like a gray blue, mustard, a tan, and a gray brown. I like those colors. Oh, here we go. Mocha, golden brown, yellow ochre, slate blue, and umber. Nice. That's me. I love earth colors. Oh, look at these. Oh my goodness, look at these. Oh, is that awesome? Oh, I love them. I love them so much. Look at those. I have to say this is my favorite. Oh my gosh, I love these. Okay, so we got lined one, and we've got a dot grid one. This is dot grid, right? Yeah. Those are, oh my god, I love them. I love them, love them, love them. Book and typewriter stickers. Oh, cool. Letters. Typewriter letters and book letters. Cool. Okay. And then our case de resistance. I don't know. It's going to take a lot to beat these guys. Oh, as I throw them. Evil scissors out of here. Okay. Oh, I love this box. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, I love this. I love this. Okay, Archer and Olive, you really scored big this quarter. Oh my gosh. So here we go. We got our journal, stickers, our 2 mini journals, our oversized clips, our acrylographs, our washi, and our notepad, and a little ink pad. Wow. This was a great box. I mean, I was kind of on the last box, but this really, wow, I love this. Okay, let's see. Yeah, the little books have the same amount of pages as the big books, 192 pages. Wow. Beautiful. Well done, Archer and Olive. I'm very happy. Okay, if you like this unboxing, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next crafty video. Bye!